The workshop took place on November 2nd, 2024 to help rural LGBTQ+ community members find resilience and belonging.
Hi, my name is Kimberly Ortiz, and my pronouns are they, she.
Everyone knows me as Eddie, but I also have a nickname called Trinity. Kind of like, I know I'm a guy, but I go by they and them because I feel very fluid.
New York City artist Gabriel Garcia Ramon directed this workshop, which celebrated queer around us and allowed participants to understand their own personal pride.
I'm a Sagittarius,
Oh my god!
They made collages inspired by queer icons.
My brother is a huge inspiration to me because he's trans and queer.
She's like my inspiration for everything that I do. She's the very first person in my family to receive a bachelor's, and now I'm following in her footsteps. I couldn't be more proud of her.
because I have depression and I wanted to put it out, how my mind visualized it, I guess. So.
Observing this workshop, it was a delight to see the young people claiming their own personal power, connecting to one another, and trusting their own voice.
I'm born a star. I'm here to inspire because my chemistry teacher told us that we're made of stardust, and that's just one of the only things that I took from that class.
We are standards for all. I cannot change who I am, and I do not want to, but who you see, I hope, is truly me.
Wow.
She inspired me to pursue acting, and she's the one that suggested I go to IAIA.
So Liliana does not want to speak, but I have permission to show hers.
The picture my cousin took. She's like 6.
But these people on here are the people I appreciate and love so far.
Yeah, and then there's me and my dad. I was gonna pair a little picture of my little brother, but there's nothing, so there's a stick figure.
Some participants were inspired by their own personal stories.
Two different shapes because I knew everyone else had a box. And you know me, I'm different. I'm not like everything else, so.
Queerencia, New Mexico. Queer Icons, a community exhibition and celebration. Sponsored in part by Moving Arts Española, UNM House Science Center, the National Institutes of House Sill, and the Weave New Mexico Project.
So I spent a couple of days with Sal and Roger before I took their portrait, and one of the beautiful things that I noticed about their relationship was the dynamic that they have with each other as far as how, they make it work, where we have a dreamer and then we have somebody that tethers, somebody that's grounded. And in a way they seem like opposites, but reality they're complementary. So that's why you see Sal holding Roger, right? He's tethering him, he's like grounding him. And also the colors that you're seeing in the portrait, I'm thinking about like the the red that Sal said he loves, then he's attracted to, and then the blues that Roger is mentioned that he gravitates to as well. So that was important for me to use those colors within the portrait. The other thing that I noticed, or that I really enjoyed watching, was all of the youth in the space and how much fulfillment and how much joy these two individuals give and bring to that organization. And so the frame, if you notice, that has wings, and I wanted to sort of share, or what I saw is these two individuals giving all the youth their wings, so that they could fly, whether it is through creativity or through dancing, gymnastics, I thought that was beautiful and I loved witnessing that. So I wanted to bring that into the artwork itself.
Moving Arts provides access to creative and experiential learning in a holistic environment, a place where children and youth can safely explore their interests, expand their knowledge, and grow into confident contributors within their community.